Looking for the perfect space to create, rehearse, and record? Welcome to What's Up New York Studio, home for your creative needs in NYC. From indie bands to solo artists, the studio isn't just a room, it's a vibe. Affordable, professional, and built for creators who want their sound to stand out. And with SoundBNB, booking your session is just the start. Discover new talent, connect with other musicians, and grow your audience, all in one place. This is more than a studio. It's a platform, a community, a movement for musicians ready to be heard. Book your next session. Join the movement. Link in bio.